Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete Google History on laptop. We start by opening our Chrome browser. Next, click on the Customize and Control menu. Then we go to the History option, and after that, we click on History again. Next, we will click on the option on the left to clear browsing data. Now we will see a box to configure the deletion. In it, within the advanced configuration, we are going to select both the period that includes the information and the data that we want to delete. Once we have it ready, we will click on Clear Data, and with this, we will delete the Google History. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.